Hello everybody.
Hi.
Let's see in the new year with these three beautiful, playful and absolutely delicious cocktails which we're going to show you our version on how to make. The first cocktail we're going to make is, what are you calling it, Tanya?
I'm going to call it the Sexy Time Sesh.
The Sexy Time Sesh. So it was a cocktail that was inspired from a local steak restaurant where we had it, and it was fresh, it was strawberries, and it just reminds us of summer. So that's cocktail number one. Cocktail number two we're going to do is, which is one of my favourites, the old classic, the Clover Club. And the third cocktail we're going to do, which I haven't made before, but we're going to do a kombucha.
Ooh.
And blueberry cocktail,
I'm looking forward to that one.
Yeah, so we're going to give that one a go and see what that's like.
Let's do it. Okay, we're going to do the Sexy Time Sesh. The first most important thing is we'll get all our glasses ready, but we need to chill them. So we're going to fill them up with ice, chill our glasses, then we're ready to go. For the Sexy Time Sesh, we need to grab yourself a blender. You need to throw in a heaped handful of ice.
This is the perfect cocktail when you're sitting beside the pool on a really hot summer's day.
Okay, you need to be very generous with this, Leanne. These are beautiful Australian fresh strawberries. So let's throw in some of these. Just make sure you take the ends off so that, you know. Now the next thing we're going to do, we need 3 spirits for this one. The first one we've got is our Blackcurrant Liqueur.
Probably should have done this when we hadn't had a drink.
Okay, so just a nip. Nip is just 30 mils. Let's just pour that one in there.
Okay, I'll put it on
thank
for
you. The next one, Midori. Everybody's favourite. Everyone's summertime favourite is a little bit of Midori. So let's pop a little bit of that in there. Again, just a nip. So all we've got at the moment is your crushed ice, handful of strawberries, a nip of your blackcurrant, a nip of Midori. Let's throw that in there. And the last one is Malibu. Malibu has that beautiful, it's a white rum with that hint of coconut. It's got a little taste of coconut there. So again, we've got another nip. So that's our 3 nips in there. Sure. And what we're going to do, pop the lid on, and we'll just pulse it for a minute. Hang tight. Okay, now we've got the drink ready. We've pulsed it away there. I'm going to get rid of the ice because our glass is beautiful and chilled. Let's pour the drink. Oh, I did muscles. That's my 2019 goal. Build some muscles. Okay, and now we're going to put our beautiful Sexy Time Sesh straight in the glass. So just spoon it in. It looks so good, and it's got that beautiful consistency, like you'd have a beautiful frozen daiquiri. It looks beautiful. Okay, so now we're going to decorate our Sexy Time Sesh. Grab a strawberry. I've actually done it. Just put some thin slices in along the strawberry. Skewer. Feed it in. I'm going to slide it open a little bit like that. That looks beautiful. Slide it down the end. Pop it on a little angle there. Simple and elegant.
Oh, that looks absolutely gorgeous.
Cheers.
So now we're going to make the Clover Club. This is our take on the Clover Club. Let's get about 4 or 5. They're only small ones, but just going to put them in there and just give the raspberries a muddle. There's no fruit. It's 1 egg white. Make sure you don't get yolk or anything like that in. So I'm just going to pour that in. The egg white doesn't add any flavour or anything like that to the cocktail. It just adds that beautiful texture. And then I've got 15 mils, around 15 mils, 1 shot of the simple syrup, which is just equal parts sugar and water. And then I've got 15 mils of the lemon juice. Okay. And then I'm going to do about 45 mils of the gin. So 1 shot. Beautiful. And a half. I'm just gonna give it a dry shake. Let's hope I don't do this wrong.
Do a little cocktail.
Ready? Let's get going.
We need a little Tom Cruise.
So give it a really good shake. Okay, so that's really good. Okay, beautiful. Okay, and then now we're just going to fill that with ice. Okay, put the lid back on. So we've given it the dry shake, and now we're going to, let's see if I can master this. I've never, no one's ever shown me how to do it properly. So
This is beautiful, this sun.
oh yeah, I know it's divine. Okay, so now just put it into this so I can get it the double strain. I've got my glass here, I'm just going to get rid of that ice. Okay.
That's beautiful. Gorgeous. Fantastic.
Okay, that's cocktail number 2. Third cocktail. Woo. So we haven't tasted this one before, so I'm excited. Okay, so I have made up some blueberry syrup, and I've done this with no sugar. Oh, I've used stevia in there, just to see with the kombucha. Kombucha. I always say it wrong, kombucha. Yeah. So with that, I just thought maybe try and make it a little bit more of a healthy cocktail. Okay, I think mixing alcohol with any kind of health drink is not healthy, but low in sugar then maybe. Yeah. And then we're going to be 1 shot of vodka.
Ooh, a little bit of the Grey Goose.
A little bit of the Grey Goose.
ahhing.
Well, it's probably a shot and a half if you want a shot.
Hang on.
Okay. So 1.5 shots of vodka.
So this is our one.
Beautiful.
It's so pretty. The colours
Okay.
are so pretty. No.
Beautiful. So we'll just stir that up.
A little stir.
Okay. And then we'll fill it with some ice. Okay. Put the ice there. And then fill it.
Right, let's go.
Which is great because it replaces any kind of fizzy drink.
So it'd be like a ginger ale replacement, this one, wouldn't it?
I would think so.
Because it's got the busyness and the ginger.
Beautiful.
I'll give you that one, Leanne.
Just put that
That's
there.
cute.
And then just a little bit of mint on top.
Oh, cheers. That looks
Cheers.
gorgeous.
Can't wait to taste it.
Me either.
Cheers to 2 girls with a plan. Okay, let's try.
This is gorgeous.
Oh, I love this one. This is so refreshing.
This is gorgeous. Got to give them a try. They are beautiful.
That is gorgeous, isn't it? How can we not give that one a try?
Sexy time sesh. What do you think?
Oh, perfect.
It's always a favourite.
Okay. So which one's your favourite, Tanya?
Well, I haven't tried that one. Do you mind if I have a try? I love that hint of ginger. That's beautiful. Always a favourite. But I'm going to go with this one.
Me too.
This one's actually beautiful.
Definitely. That one's my favourite as well. The Clover Club.
It's very feminine, isn't it? With
It is. It's so pretty.
a little
And
hint
I
of-
love the texture in my mouth. Cheers! May 2019 be absolutely wonderful.
Go and smash it. Cheers.
Cheers.